Today we're flying to the province of Bohol, one of the major destinations in the country. Philippine Airlines has flights to Bohol, average of 3 flights per day.
Panglao Airport. Now this is a new airport. Yung luma nasa Tagbilaran. But they still use the same code, Tagbilaran. But this airport is in Panglao Island. They opened this 2018, I think. That's the new airport in Panglao Island. Yung maayong
Buntag.
buntag.
Oo, yan. Mayong
Paghapon, maayong
hapon.
Okto?
Mayong hapon.
Maayong hapon. Bago tong airport, no?
Oo, bago to.
Kailan na to?
2018 ata.
2018. Solea Coast Panglao. Very nice. Oh, we got a pool. Oh, swimming pool. Check in. So this is the room. And we're facing the water. Danao Beach.
Anong beach?
Danao Beach.
Danao.
Right? Good morning from Panglao. Good morning.
Solea Hotel in Panglao.
Second day. Good thing it didn't rain. We're having breakfast at 7. That's the hotel. We'll have Bohol day trip at 9 o'clock. This is the Now Beach.
Bisitahin namin si Tarsier.
We're gonna see the Tarsier, hopefully, and the Chocolate Hills. And the hotel. We're having breakfast. How's your breakfast, Nanay? Good? I really like the decorations here. They said this is made of abaca lamps. So this is Baclayan Church. Ito si June. Sige, saan tayo? Baclayan Church siya, diba?
Church 1595.
Sa 5095 siya.
Itong harapan at saka itong bintana.
Anong kailan yung
2013.
2013? Sige, ikot tayo.
Baclayan Church in Bohol was founded in 1596. It became the oldest Christian settlement in Bohol. This church is made of coral stone, a material that is commonly used for construction in this part of the country. This church had to be restored because it was damaged by an earthquake in 2013.
Tibay yan.
Ilagay kasi yun sa...
Next stop is Bohol Man-Made Forest. Stretching almost 2 kilometers, these densely planted mahogany trees are located in the border of Balabok and Bilar towns in Bohol. As we look around, we notice some of the mahogany trees were destroyed during the typhoon in December, but slowly the forest is recovering.
barko. Kaya ang barko.
Ang galing.
Ang mayari dito is Sinan.
Ay, kaya pala.
Barko yung mayari.
Kaya pala ship. Ako buong buo.
Welcome now to Chocolate Hills. Here at Chocolate Hills. About to climb the steps at Chocolate Hills. Nay, lapit na. Almost there, man.
Start.
Yeah, we finally made it to the top of Chocolate Hills. Yee-hee. Welcome.
Oh, welcome Chocolate Hill.
Wow, it's really nice. So a total of, according to June, 1,776. 1,776 hills. Nice. Nice. I like how the sun hits the Chocolate Hills.
Chocolate Hills are geological formation in Bohol province. There are as many as 1,776 hills spread over an area of more than 50 square kilometers. It got its name from its strange yet unique formation and vegetation. During the summer months, the hills turn into chocolate brown, thus the name.
This is the Tarsier Conservation. I forgot the name. But everything. We're heading inside to see the Tarsier. This is where we're gonna have lunch later. So June, dito lang kami pa-ikot dyan.
Yes. Sa Tarsier? Yes, opo. Pwede po. Wala pong anuman.
Ano po yung name ng place? Tarsier.
Ito po yung tinatawag na Bohol Enchanted. Tourist spot. Botanical and zoological. Wala na pong pinundan. Dito po. Bali mag-assist inyo.
Tarsier. Cool.
Measuring only 5 inches, the Bohol tarsier is considered the world's smallest primate. For the past million years, tarsiers have inhabited rainforests around the world, but now they exist on only a few islands in the Philippines, Borneo, and Indonesia.
I-point mo siya. Una.
Ang liit eh. Oh, it's
Makikita mo siya, sir. Tingnan mo.
Masama sa akin. Ito na nakadila.
Ay, ito pala.
Dito pa, sir. Kita mo pa, sir.
Hindi naman buntot niya.
Ito pa, sir.
Ha?
Opo, mas mahaba pa po sa katawan. May isa pa dito.
Yan.
Wala po. Transfer po namin sa rehab po namin. Masarap to. Rich in protein to, ma'am. Pwede mo tikman, ma'am.
Ay, ayoko. Kaling yan.
Kami po nag-cultured nito, ma'am.
Kinultured niyo?
Opo,
Di
pinarami.
ba ginagawa rin yung chicha worms?
Yes, ito po yun. Masarap yun.
Oo.
Na. Pero
Masarap yan.
masarap din malasahan mo ng mais pag ganitong buhay mo kakainin. Pero
Hilaw,
pag
hilaw?
pag yung luto na hindi na yun sagana sa protina kasi naluto na kasi
Ayan,
siya.
ganyan binibigay
Ito-
niyo sa kanila.
Opo, ito
Butterfly Garden po. Pero dito
Butterfly
sa
Garden.
Bohol Enchanted po talaga. 3 years pa po sir, kaka 3 years lang po
Saka
sir.
3 years lang.
Bago pa po talaga.
Ang daming butterfly.
Tulog lang po talaga yung iba. Pwede mo yan ganun ilipat sa kamay mo ma'am. Ganito po. Yan, dahan. Ayan. Picture kita. Wait na po muna. Tingin ka po sa akin ma'am.
We just finished the Bohol Enchanted, and now And now we are having lunch. This is mango shake. So that's Balinsasayao Island over there. And we will have an island tour there tomorrow.